Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to another video. So in this video, I'm sharing with you 5 full days of eating Monday through Friday. And I'm really excited to share what I've been eating with you since doing the carnivore diet over 6 months now. I am gonna preface though, I hope this brings you encouragement on your health journey. Since my husband and I have been going carnivore, we just experienced wonderful health benefits, and we just really love eating this way. What I do want to say though is, if you don't really like the things that I'm eating, don't say anything. Like, you can just keep scrolling, okay? I'm trying to help as many people as I can through my journey of becoming healthier. And if you don't agree with the things I'm eating or you don't like it, that's okay. That's fine. It doesn't bother me one bit. But for myself, like as a Christian, I'm not going to say rude comments or put somebody down because I don't agree. I'm just gonna move on. So if you're feeling like you want to criticize, I'm sorry for one that you feel like you want to criticize, but just don't send those bad vibes out. You're not helping me, you're definitely not helping yourself. I am just trying to encourage anyone who is looking to go carnivore or ketovore and to see what it's like to eat the way I eat, and hopefully that's encouraging to you. So I wish you nothing but blessings while watching this video. If you have any comments, hopefully that are positive, please put that below, like and subscribe, and here we go. Good morning, you guys. So we're on day 2 of eating. I completely forgot to, it's mom life, right? I completely forgot to record what I ate for dinner yesterday. That quesadilla was tremendously filling because I just loaded it up with bacon and sausage that I had yesterday for a late breakfast. And I ate a 1 pound ribeye steak last night, and I was ready for dinner. I wasn't really super hungry. I mean, I could have gone longer. I was just, my satiation from that breakfast just kind of carried me along. And so I did have 2 or 3 pieces of bacon throughout the day because it was just sitting there and it was just grazing. So I had my quesadilla, I had 3 pieces of bacon throughout the day, and then I had a 1 pound ribeye that my husband and I cut from the humongous roll, I call it a ribeye roll. I have a video on that if you want to check it out, of us carving our humongous ribeye roll. And then I had a humongous steak. So we're on day 2 of eating, and I'm gonna try to be much better with recording what I am eating. I'm just finishing up my morning coffee. I have not yet eaten anything, but that's gonna change soon. morning, you guys. I believe, are on day 5 of eating. I am so sorry. I always forget to take a video of my steak when I eat it for dinner. So here's a picture of my steak that I finished. It was about a 1 pound ribeye. My husband makes the best ribeyes in our cast iron skillet. And I don't know, I'm just so excited to eat my ribeye steaks that I just always completely forget to take a quick video of what I ate for dinner. So here I am just letting you know. And we are on, today is Friday, and I'm filming this during Lent, and on Fridays we don't eat meat. And so though eggs do count as a non-meat option. So today for breakfast, I'm eating some eggs. You hold up your bacon? Eating bacon. There was sausage on your fork, right? Sausage and bacon, yeah. I hope you enjoyed this video, you guys, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.